He pulls up in one with a test drive tag. She pulls in with one that's got a dealer plate. They're not good at getting tags. These particular individuals are not. They're not good at getting tags, and they're just not going to do what they're supposed to do. And when you don't do what you're supposed to do, you end up getting towed. There's 4 more right there. I'm gonna back up and hook this Honda. If it's got a bad tag, I'm gonna back up and hook the Honda for sure. He's got another one, man.
This one is my car. This one has insurance and tag.
I'm just looking. I gotta look and see.
Why is in my car that you want to pick? This one, the insurance is see the insurance. So if as only I did come, you will told this one.
Man, man, this man.
The cluster, you see, the cluster has problem. That's why it's here. The guy that was fixing it in mechanic, mobile mechanic, he was here. That is why I brought it here.
Yeah, I understand, man. Hey, this car, is it run?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we crank it up and drive it out of here, and I won't tow it.
Okay.
If you can crank it up and drive it out here right now, if you got a key, crank it up and drive it. It won't get towed. Otherwise, I'm gonna back up and hook it.
No, let me. Wait. Let me bring the key.
This guy's got cars parked all over the property. He's following me around. I'm trying to hook these cars and get them out of here, but they belong to him. And he's riding around with a test drive tag, talking about his tag on this one's good and he's got insurance on it. But I can't go by that. I got to go by what the office manager told me to do. She told me these cars got to go. She's tired of it. I don't know what his deal is, man. He's just not getting it, man. He is not getting it. If this car don't crank up, if he can't crank this car up and drive it off the property in just a minute, as soon as he comes back with that key, I'm fixing to hook another car of his, which is going to piss him off even worse. But that's just what I do. I'm here to yank cars. It don't matter if anybody gets mad about it or not. They're not going to do anything. He would have already done something if he was going to do anything. But you can't never tell when somebody's going to hit their breaking point, which is what happens towing these cars. They got it running. He just parked that car at a different building. Got one Honda. Parked that Honda at a different building, and I'm gonna tell the manager. She tells me to come back and get it. I'm gonna come back and hook it as soon as I get back over here. I'll put a hook on it. Anyway. Anyway, we got this car over here to the yard. I got a feeling we hadn't seen the last of this guy that owns it. I'm going back over there right now. That manager's told me to get some more, and he's got more over there, so we may see him again. You got to keep your car, your vehicles tagged, especially if you got them on your own property, you're probably okay. But if you got them on a rental property somewhere, you got to keep plates on your vehicle, and you got to keep them in better condition than that Lexus was. Anyway, we're gonna quit yapping. I got to get over there and get some more cars. Stay tuned. Hey there, we're back. We were on this property yesterday over here. We're back again. The gentleman with the Honda Civic, man, with the Texas plate. Evidently, the manager's not happy about the fake tag. She wants it towed. It's the same one we almost took yesterday, and he had the opportunity to move it off the property. Instead of moving it off the property, he decided to pull it to another building. Manager called it in, called dispatch and sent me a text message. So we're hooking it. see what happens. Somebody's fixing to get yanked right here. I don't know what the story on it is. This is a hotel. They've got, let's see if I can pull this text message up right here. They have got a Ford Escape white Mississippi tag. They got a vehicle that's abandoned. They're stolen. I wouldn't be surprised if it's stolen. But we're fixing to yank it up right now. Who knows? It could be somebody's car that's inside. You can't never tell what's going on. But I believe it's the one in this corner over here. It's parked in visitors parking. Suspect it's been here for quite some time. Although it don't look like it. That's a Florida plate. That does not appear to be the right one. Or either, let me see. Anyway, we figured it out. That's it right there. Anyway, let's get to it. Right there's a prime example of why details they matter. Doing this kind of work. If I'd have hooked that Ford Escape over there at that other building mistakenly, it would have been a terrible problem. That's why we get tag numbers and that's why we check details. You can't just be a numbskull tow truck driver and hook anything you see. Get your adrenaline up. Think somebody's gonna come out and get you. You get worried. Next thing you know, you're towing the wrong car because you're paranoid or whatever. I don't get like that. I'll think it through and double check all the details before I hook a car. We had one of our properties. She claimed, well, it happened. Somebody from a different tow company came on their property. That butted up next to another apartment complex and started towing cars. And he towed a car illegally off of her property. He wasn't even authorized to be on her property. It does happen. Anyway, that particular tow company had done that twice on her property. And that's for people not properly checking their documents. How you doing, sir? Yep. Yeah, let me write it up real quick. It's easy to jump the gun and think, oh, there it is, that's the one. Next thing you know, you're hooking the wrong car. And if you're hooking the wrong car and somebody comes out there and cracks your head open, it's on you, man. You basically illegally towing his car. You got hit. It was your fault. The cop's gonna side with the guy that cracked you over the head because you were towing the wrong car. Anyway, that's enough yapping. We'll roll to the yard, get another one. Anyway, that guy was named Chad, and he said he watches all the videos. He's one of the Tow Trucker family members. Thanks for watching. Peace.